Hi, you are welcome to my channel. So, in the last sections, we discussed about how to add the legend of a graph, and you will get the output of like this. It is the output of iris dataset. How to add the legend, and you can modify the legend in this area also as well. So it's not an issue. So finally, the next in this section, we will discuss about how to make and scatter float with the regression client. So let's start with that. So meanwhile, I have a request that those of the guys, those of the respective person, please till now not subscribe my video. I will request them to subscribe my video, like and follow my channels for more updates. So okay, so let's start. So to make an scatter plot with the regressions, first you should have to import one library. So library, you need this library far away library needs. So it is automatic before I install this library, so it is not an issue. That's why it's executed. So when I execute this one, so you will install the library from here. You will go to the tool, install package. We'll go install from crand. We'll write in the name of faraway, and we will select the directory where you are working on that. Okay, fine, all right. Then you will go to the data set. Data will take the data as a strong X. It is the already inbuilt data on that. So run these things, you will get the strong X data in your variable explorer or environment. After that, let's go with the M. Suppose M is the value which is doing the LM linear model with strong cross X tilde, means it is the input values, and output values in the energy, and data is equal to, you should have to give the data, which data set you are using in the cross X and energy. It is the data set of strong X. Okay, now run it. So it is successfully run. It is the linear regressions model. After that, linear regressions model values is stored in a variable M. Now what we'll do, you will plot this one, plot the cross X tilde with the energy and data strong X. When you will plot, you will get the output of like this. Okay, where x-axis is energy and y-axis is, this one, cross X. When you got this one, and you can make an AB line. AB lines mix, it is plot a straight line towards the scattered point. So AB line of M is the regressions values. So in the M with the regressions value, I am now making the AB line with the use of linear regressions model, whatever the linear models gives us here in this line, and I'm storing this thing in variable M. With that use of this one M, I'm using the AB lines and straight lines, and want to make a straight line on the scatter plot. So run it. So yeah, you got the answer right here. So take a look. So your data point is here scattered, those are round figure, and it is the straight line is the AB lines, which you give the clarification that is your linear regressions model straight line. After that, you want to plot all the variable against others variable. To do these things, use this one. Suppose, see the data set first, which data set we want to use. Suppose I have iris data set want to use, and iris data set first head is take a loop of like this, and followed by plot the iris data sets, those things. Plot the iris data sets, for all the rows. To make all the rows, within the third bracket we will give the column, sorry, comma means all the rows, and column from 1 to 4. 1 colon 4 means for column 1 to 4, because see at the last column values is categorical, I mean not numeric values, so we cannot consider the fifth column. If you consider the fifth column, it will give you the wrong answer, or if you, it will give you the warning. So for that reason we are using from column 1 to column 4. After that, run it, you'll get the answer. Yeah, you get the answer right here. For iris datasets, especially for all the rows and from column 1 to 4, it will give the answer of scatter plot answers in a 4 by 4 model. After that, if you want to create a scatter plot for each factorial values, so to do these things, follow this one. Suppose we are taking the data is car93 data. Suppose I'm taking this car93 data, okay, and this car93 data from package, I want package of mass, sorry, mass in capital. When you will get the package named within colon, when you will get the data first, sorry, there is double colon. Yeah, so data is imported from mass package, the car93 data. After that, sorry, you make an co-plot with the data of car93 of the data frame name horsepower with the regressions model car93 data of data frame mpgct, okay, and car93 data of origin. Here I want to plot a dataset clock plot with the horsepower along with car93 dataset of frame mpgct and car93 datasets of origin. So when you will run these programs, you will get the answer of this like this. Here the co-plot of two datasets. Here first one x-axis is the car mpgct and y-axis, first y-axis is the horsepower and second one is the origins. Like this we will get the two scatter plots. Okay, so it is the video of relevant the scatter plot linear regressions, how to plot the data sets using linear regressions model. So hope you enjoy. If you have any query, comment or any doubt, please put your comment in the comment sections, and like, subscribe my video and stay in touch with that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.